And finally, we come to the last mistake. I would say this is the most catastrophic mistake that each one of us would have made at some point of time or the other. It can cause a lot of heartburn, a lot of tears. And all I can say is that I hope you never have to deal with something like this. And this mistake is that you don't take backups. The fact is that our laptops are machines that we cannot necessarily rely on, and even the softwares that we work with can be quite glitchy and buggy, and sometimes things can crash, things can hang. So it's really important that you take backups of your work, you save your sheets at periodic times, and if possible also have some kind of like an online backup which is stored in a cloud. Just a simple thing like this can save you hours and hours of work. It can save you from days of just absolute catastrophe where you're repeating things that you have done before, and you could actually end up losing extremely valuable data if you don't have a backup. So if there is one thing that you take away from this entire course, it would be this one, which is please keep a backup of all your data.